Welcome to Transformation Tuesday. Every week, we unlock a new chapter in your health and wellness journey. Here, it's about transforming not just your body, but your life. From nourishing foods to invigorating workouts, we cover it all. Hit that like button and subscribe now for weekly inspiration. Because every Tuesday, we bring you something fresh, something exciting, something transformative. Ready to make a change? Let's dive in.
Today on Transformative Tastes, we embark on an African cuisine journey. Explore the rich tapestry of flavors and cooking traditions across the African continent. First stop, West Africa. We delve into the beloved jollof rice, a spicy tomato-based dish with variations across countries like Nigeria and Ghana. Each version tells a story of local tastes and traditions. Moving to East Africa, we experience Injera, a sourdough flatbread from Ethiopia, typically served with a variety of flavorful stews. Injera is not just food, it's a utensil and a communal experience. In North Africa, the Moroccan tagine captures the essence of the region's cuisine. A slow-cooked stew with a blend of aromatic spices, tagine is a testament to the art of blending flavors. African cuisine is as diverse as the continent itself. Thanks for joining us on this culinary voyage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more from Transformative Tastes. Thanks for watching.